The best gaming laptops come in all shapes and sizes, for different needs and budgets. Because while a tricked-out $5,000 plus model with the highest-end graphics and best display might give you the best gaming laptop experience, most of us can't afford a rig like that. Our picks here are often high-end, but most come in a variety of configurations and various price points. Thankfully, there are more gaming laptop options now than ever, from budget-friendly to desktop replacements. Some come with full-size Nvidia GeForce RTX graphics cards, while others go for the more efficient Max-Q designs that enable thinner chassis and sometimes quieter fans. Hello and welcome to our channel. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe. It only takes a second, and you can always change your mind later. Now let's dive into the video. Number 1. MSI Ge76 Raider. If you're looking for a laptop with desktop-level power, the MSI Ge76 Raider is about as close as you'll get, though you may also have to spend a ton of money to get there. Still, with its high-end components like the Intel Core i9-12900HK and Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, we'd be remiss to point out that the Raider has a large RGB light bar on the front, which, when combined with per-key lighting, makes for quite an effect in the dark. Or you can turn it all off if you prefer something a bit less showy. The 17.3-inch 1080p display goes up to 360 Hz, which is great for esports players, but everyone else might want to consider a 1440p or 4K display, depending on available configurations. Number 2. Razer Blade 15 2022 edition. Razer has simplified its Blade 15 lineup, removing the advanced and base models, but what's left is still a very good, thin, stylish gaming notebook. The Blade 15 remains a favorite because it has a strong performance, but is just 4.4 pounds and 0.57 inches thick. You still get a variety of ports like Thunderbolt 4, both USB Type-C and Type-A, as well as an SD card reader. So there's plenty of expansion for peripherals and extra storage for games. It would even work great for productivity. To get Razer's premium look and feel, you do have to pay a premium. This notebook starts at $2,499. It's pricey, but it's also maintained a spot among our favorite gaming notebooks for years for a reason. Number 3. Alienware X17R2. The Alienware X17R2 goes up to an Intel Core i9-12900HK and an Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, some of the most powerful parts on the market. In our review, the laptop showed strong performance in both gaming and productivity. Alienware's design, which debuted last year, is lovely. It's still clearly a gaming notebook, but it's futuristic and minimal. That being said, it's a bit larger than some competitors. And at 6.82 pounds, you probably won't want to carry this around too often. If you have a bit of extra cash, we highly recommend the optional $50 Cherry MX mechanical keyboard. Number 4. Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro 5 has long been our favorite gaming laptop for those on a tight budget. The latest model we've tested with an Intel Core i5-12500H and Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 Ti offers decent performance for the price, as long as you're willing to turn down the settings on some games. Acer has given the Nitro 5 a new, more adult design. It's less angular and with fewer red accents. Doesn't scream as much that it's a gaming notebook. We've seen the aesthetic become popular on expensive notebooks. It's nice to see a toned-down design on a gaming laptop that's $899.99. Don't worry, there's still an RGB backlit keyboard for those that are into that sort of thing. There's a bit of room to upgrade inside too. Acer includes a SATA cable in the box for people who want to open the laptop and add a 2.5-inch hard drive for SSD. The RAM, NVMe SSD, and Wi-Fi card are all easily accessible too. Number 5. Asus ROG Sapphire G14. If you're a PC gamer on the go, a thin PC like the Asus ROG Sapphire G14 may be up your alley. The Sapphire uses an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS and an AMD Radeon RX 6800S, as well as the company's proprietary features like Smart Shift to move power between the CPU and GPU, in addition to Smart Access memory. For the latest update, Asus added a webcam, which was a glaring omission on previous models. The all-AMD model has also moved to a taller 16:10 aspect ratio. The Sapphire's battery can run over 10.5 hours, suggesting you can last all day on this notebook when you aren't gaming. It is, however, a bit pricey. The Sapphire starts at $1,599.99. And that covers today's video. If you enjoy our content, do be sure to support our channel. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.